In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can uninstall dynamic lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. And then in here, tap on wallpaper. Then tap on wallpaper services. Then tap on the option key at the top, and so you need to go into dynamic lock screen first. So tap on the settings icon next to dynamic lock screen, and then tap on the option key, then tap on uninstall, and then select the categories that you would like to uninstall, and tap on the uninstall button at the bottom. And now it will uninstall the downloaded categories for your dynamic lock screen. And after installing, you should be able to reclaim some of your storage space. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.